you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools.
Hey guys, can you hear me? Can anyone hear me? Hopefully I can get this uploaded and you guys get to see it. I won't be able to reply, so just important for you guys to know what's going on. As you can see, underground here, I've been down here now for 3 weeks. And I had to set up the solar panel, single solar, so I can only charge up so many things, but got to do what you got to do to stay safe. Nevertheless, there's gold down here, and it's been quite amazing. I've just been able to charge my headlamp. Got the candles going. I'll show you around later. I've got to save my battery, so I better go. I'll talk to you soon. You can see some old woodwork just there, holding that up. So hopefully you can see that. My light's starting to run out. So I had to chop that one there up. I've been chipping away, getting some good little bits up in there. Hey team, I'm back again. It's been about six weeks now, almost 7 weeks since I went into underground. Big blowfly. Expecting some supplies today from Cookie. He drops them off to me, and we maintain that social distance. I'm about 10 to 15 metres underground. So yeah, I've been ducking up top, not getting very close to the surface, just to see how this pandemic's going with the COVID. Hopefully they can get on top of it and I can get back out detecting. Just got to stay as safe as we can. Okay guys, I've made it. That's the drop off point just there. That's where Cookie sends all the stuff down. I'll show you. There. That's the hole up there. It's about 10 metres up to the top, so we're quite safe down here. I'm expecting that very soon, so. Hey Cookie, send down the goods. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Oh, oh, thanks. Thanks. Alright, shooting it in. Why does he keep sending these? Must be a shortage up there. Alrighty, well, bring some food back out. So I've got 3 ventilation shafts. It's still a bit tight in here, but it's better than being out there, that's for sure. So I won't be able to talk for much longer because my battery life's almost kaput. Had to run the solar panel, single solar panel up top, so I can only charge the basic needs, which is the light, pretty much my headlight. That's the most important thing, so I've managed to get some power in the camera. It's been about 10 weeks now, almost 11 weeks. Up there, can you see that? That's the exit. I don't want to get too close to there. Yeah, bit of anxiety I think, going outside during the pandemic. I'll just turn this on, there we go. We're back, so I managed to get another couple of bars into my battery with that solar panel. Because it's winter outside, it's very, very hard to get charge in there. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know, hopefully it's all going good up top and you're taking care of everything. Since the lockdown, isolation, I've been underground down here. Hours have turned into days, into weeks, into months. It just goes fast real quick, so hopefully I'll be back out this week sometime, up there swinging. Very, very excited about that. Whoa, guess what? I'm going out there to check. When Cookie dropped off some supplies, he said that things are looking good up top, so hey guys, back again. It was about 3 or 4 days since my last film. And I went up top, just very close, just so I could get service. Alrighty, so the progress was going good. I was looking at getting out there, but I checked again. Bloody Victoria, I don't know what's going on. Too many people interacting with each other and it's starting to spread again, so I'm going to check in a few more days and see how that progress is going. Hopefully I can get this video uploaded. It's been 5 months and no service, have not been able to do much, just the bare essentials. Haven't even got my computer here. I'm not sure when I'll be back up. I miss you guys. See you all soon.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? And don't you know? I'm living in shadow, don't you know? And don't you know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold, what did I know? And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold, what did I know? What did I know?